Garlic helps reduce high blood pressure. Onions are nutrient-dense, meaning they're low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, vitamin C, and potassium. They are also a decent source of many other vitamins and minerals. Sweet potatoes are rich in many plant compounds, such as beta-carotene, chlorogenic acid, and anthocyanins. Sweet potatoes are likely healthier than regular potatoes. They have a lower G, more fiber, and large amounts of beta-carotene.